So children, we have already seen this media and money, how media and money, they are linked or they are related. Now, if we read this portion again, we will come to know that in a news studio, it is not only the news reader who needs to be paid, but also a number of other people who help put the broadcast together. All are needed to be paid. This includes those who look after the cameras and lights. Also, as you read earlier, the technologies that mass media use keep changing, and so a lot of money is spent on getting the latest technology. So, for this technology also, a huge amount of money is required. Right, for example, this system, this online process availing which or following which or using which we are just keeping ourselves in touch with these studies, or we are actually trying to complete our session. Everything requires a huge amount of money. All these our e-portal system, this internet system, everything, it requires huge amount of money. It is not a matter of joke. So due to these costs, the mass media needs a great deal of money to do its work. As a result, most television channels and newspapers are part of big business houses. So you can see that these television channels and newspapers, they are a part of big business houses, because many people are working over here and many other sources are connected with these parts. Mass media is constantly thinking of ways to make money. So underline this part. Mass media is constantly thinking what the ways of or the ways to make money. One way in which the mass media earns money is by advertising different things like cars, chocolates, clothes, mobile phones, etc. You must have noticed the number of advertisements that you have to see while watching your favorite television show. This one we have seen. Even nowadays, when we are clicking or switching on our e-portal, might be, or the YouTube channel of our school, and if we want to see our videos, that means forget about your case. I am thinking, I'm saying about myself. Whenever I'm trying to just view my own video, which I must be uploading in our e-portal, I can find that some sort of advertisement is there before my video it is starting. Why? Because in this way, the mass media, it earns money. So while watching a cricket match on TV, the same advertisements are shown repeatedly between each over, and so you are often watching the same image over and over again. As you will read in the following chapter, advertisements are repeated in the hope that you will go out and buy what is advertised. As in my in one of my offline videos regarding this part, I have said that yes, after just watching all these type of advertisements, we really or literally we run to buy all these products, so that applying which we can become fair, then applying which we can just what to say, we will produce some sort of perfume that it could be inhaled from 5 kilometers, 6 kilometers away, something like this, or just intaking some sort of that what to say, this material, not material actually, I must be saying that intaking some sort of food, or there's health drinks, better to say the health drinks, we can become tall or taller, we can become strong or stronger, like Horlicks, Complan, Pediasure, then that Ensure, so many things are there. And looking at all these advertisements or watching all these advertisements, we are literally running to buy all these things from market, And in this way, the progress is there for the businessmen or for the business world. There is some sort of progress. So, media and democracy. In a democracy, the media plays a very important role in providing news and discussing events taking place in the country and the world. It is on the basis of this information that citizens can, for example, learn how government works. This one we can understand very well because for this COVID 19 only, even the person who didn't ever look at the news channel had opened the news channel and heard the latest or tried to enrich himself or herself regarding the news of COVID 19. And at that time, they have also heard that what initiative the government is taking for the protection of the citizens. So, following the news channel, we can come to know that how the government is playing its role and what sort of new steps the government is going to take for the betterment of the citizens. It is on the basis of this information that citizens can, for example, learn how government works, and often if they wish to, they can take action on the basis of these news stories. Some of the ways in which they can do this is by writing letters to the concerned minister, organizing a public protest. That means if that means if citizens they think that this step of government is not for the betterment of the citizens, rather it is going to ruin us, or it is going to cause some sort of discomfort for the citizens. At that time, what the common people they can do, they can write letters, they can organize meetings, they can run for the deputation and all these type of things they can arrange for. That means for protest. So organizing a public protest, starting a signature campaign, it is a very what to say, authentic way to show your protest. That means we all understand we are not at all be able to follow or just accept the new law taken by the government. So just after writing this one, people can go on putting their signatures. That means those who are against this step of government. That means those who want to protest. Then asking the government to rethink its program, etc. Given the role that the media plays in providing information, it is important that the information be balanced. Let us understand what we mean by a balanced media report by reading two versions of the same news event given on the next page. So let's see what is balanced media report. Crackdown on polluting factories. Protesters block roads and disrupt traffic. Radhika Malik, something is written, it is quite hazy in my book, I can't read that part, sorry for that one. Violent protests by owners and workers brought the city to a standstill today. People getting to work could not do so on time because of huge traffic jams. The owners and workers are protesting the government's decision to close down polluting factory units. Although the government did take this decision rather hastily. Hastily means in a very within very short time and in somewhat manner. That means hastily we have read beforehand also. That means without giving much. That means without paying much interest in it, or might be in a hurried manner. Better to say in a hurried manner, hastily in hurried manner. So the protesters have known for quite some time that their units are not legal. Moreover, the levels of pollution in the city will be greatly reduced by this closure. Mr. Jain, a well-known figure in the city, said, "With our city gradually becoming India's new business hub, it is important that it be a clean and green city. Polluting factories should be moved. The factory owners and workers should accept the relocation being offered by the government instead of protesting. So this is one version of the media. Another, closure of factories causes unrest. Daily News Service. The closure of 1 lakh factories in the city's residential areas is likely to become a serious issue. On Monday, thousands of factory owners and workers took to the to strongly protest this closure. They said that their livelihoods would be lost. They say that the fault lies with the municipal corporation because it continued to issue licenses for new factories to be set up in residential areas. They also say that there were no adequate relocation efforts. The owners and workers plan a one-day city bandh to protest against this closure. So this bandh is one of the most easiest way to show your protest. Anything is there which can cause some sort of discomfort or which can cause some sort of disaster or problem. Bandh. Let us run for bandh. Everything bandh. Chakka bandh, dukan bandh, market bandh, all bandh, bandh, bandh. Okay. What happened where I was? Yes. Mr. Sharma, one of the factory owners, said, the government says that it has done a lot to relocate us. But the areas that have sent, the areas they have sent us to have no facilities and have not been developed for the last 5 years. So the same news but presented in different forms by different media we can find. Regarding the same topic, different ideas are placed in front of the public by different media. So children, we have read up to this one, and in our next class we will continue with the rest part. And if you are having any query, you can ask me right now. And if you are not having any query, then write down present with your full name. All the 12 children, they must write present with their full name.